How to install Applinked on Firestick. So to be able to install Applinked on your Firestick, first and foremost, go ahead and download the downloader app on your Firestick. So to do that, use the search bar and search for the downloader app and then go ahead and install it. Now make sure that you have enabled installing apps from unknown sources before you open the downloader app. So go ahead and open the downloader app, hover over the URL bar and click the select button on your remote, and then type applinked.store and click on go. This is the official website of the application. So scroll down and click on download and then click on install from here, and Applinked has now been installed. So click on done. Now delete the APK file. So click on delete in here and then click on delete again. And then go ahead and move toward your app list. So on your app list, you'd be able to find Applinked on your list. So click on it and then choose move or move to front. And then place Applinked in your preferred spot. Now, to open Applinked, go ahead and open it up and then you'll be redirected inside the application. So that is how you can basically install Applinked on Firestick.